Hakalai tarik nai wing hajar pusan, uba Wailadmiki Shillong, Menteri Ketenat Sports and Youth Affairs ke Khuborjylla, ula Plie ya Madan Futsal bad ya Football Gallery jong ke St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, haka jinge don lang kinong penya jong ke school, nado u principal padar Anthony Kharkongor, vice principal padar Ibor nong Sid, kinong hikai bad ki khna school. Lasdang ya kani kasngi da kajing lumlang baro Hamadan basketball jang ke school da ki jing duai bat jing ruai balaya lam da ki khna class 12 commerce. Ha kajing kren uba Wailadmiki Shillong uba long kubu kong san ha kani kasngi ula ai khubla ya St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School bat ya baro kinong penyan ki bala tre shitom ban ai ya kajing nang jing start bat khamtam ru baka bu hakmat ya ka sports rengkat ka puli puthi. Baro ki badan hang ni pimla aban long ki doktor ni ki engineer pidon ki jing ang nur bat ka sap ka baya pher na ki weipat na kata kadaw ka Khuborjylla kawanra shibun ki scheme ban kersha ni ki sap ki pong jong ki khun Samla laong uba Wailad. Hadian ka jingkran na ukong san la sa mi ki medal she ki khna school ki bala job ha ka jingya kop jingi bala penlong ha True North lapalang Shillong. Lapen bernya ya baro ki bala don lang da ki jingput jingtem bala ai da ka ban jong ka school.
At the very outset, I would like to thank Almighty God for giving me this opportunity and for blessing us all to be a part of this inauguration of this futsal ground for the St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School. Respected Father Anthony, the principal of the St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, all the hard-working teachers of these schools, and my dear students, a very good morning to you all. I'm so delighted to be a part of this program, even though I have not contributed anything on it. But as Father Anthony said, we have a long way to go. Definitely we'll work together for the betterment of the school, especially in sports infrastructure. But before that, I'd like to congratulate the St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, who is one of the premier institute in our state right now. And I'm so happy that the school have been contributing so much in imparting quality education to our younger generation. For this, once again, I'd like to congratulate each and everyone who is a part in this. And moreover, I am so happy at the same time standing here as your sports minister that these schools education as top priority, but even sports. This itself, the present infrastructure as we standing here today, is the testament, shows that the school put sports as the top priority. And as you know, in our state, under the able leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister of the government, we do understand that the state of Meghalaya have a very large number of young people. In our state, about 65% is the population between the age below 35. We have a very young population. So we do realize and understand that we need to take care. We need to have a policy or different schemes which will look after our young populations. That's why if you see today, if you compare 10 years before, the kind of investment in the sports department were minimal. Sports department used to be a minor department in the government. But now I'm so happy to tell you that Meghalaya government is one of the highest spender from the budget in terms of percentage, is the highest spender on sport in the country right now. If you can see, especially in today's time, the kind of investment we are making in sport infrastructure, you just look around you, there are many artificial turf football ground coming up, many indoor stadiums are coming up. Meghalaya is building the biggest football stadium in the northeast right now, in the investment of 700 crores in Madan, in the new Shillong. If you go to JN Stadium, by the side of the ground, you will see a big indoor hall of international standard is coming up. If you go to Garo Hills, we have the PA Samla International Stadium, athletic track. If you go to Giant Hills in Wailadmiki, you will have the Wailadmiki multi-sports complex. Right now we are coming up with different infrastructure. And not only infrastructure, we do understand that we need to support our young population. All of you here today, we do understand as you are different in your looks, you are different in your mind as well. Not all of you have the capacity to become doctors, engineers. You have different abilities. So that's why government is coming up with different schemes to support you. For those who love singing, for our young musicians, we have come up with the Meghalaya grassroots program to support you to do what you like. For our young YouTubers, content creators, because many of the young population, we see them with their mobiles. We have come up with Hello Meghalaya to support to your content for whatever you do. For you who like to organize sports tournament, awareness program, training program, and so on, we have Yes Meghalaya, where you just have to register yourself and you can get 2 lakh annually to organize whatever you like. We have Prime for the young entrepreneurs who want to start their own business. We have Prime Meghalaya who will incubate you, who will support you with training and help you financially. So there are a lot of things going on right now, especially in terms with sports and youth affairs. So once again, I'm so happy to see that, like Father already mentioned, that without the support from the government, the schools has went ahead to build this beautiful infrastructure which will really help our young sport enthusiasts. And I'm so happy to share with all of you, especially to the young sports person. In the past, if you represent our state in the national or international level, if you win medal, then definitely you will have a sports quota to get a government job. But there is 2% sports quota for you to get government job. But we see that a lot of our sports persons struggle to fight for that 2%. So that's why the government has come up with the Meghalaya Outstanding Sports Person Direct Recruitment Policy. In this policy, whoever represents Meghalaya in the national level and get a medal, or Asian Games, Olympics, directly you don't need to go for recruitment. You don't need to fight to attend for the exam. Directly you will be given government job, which I feel will really boost the morale of the sports person who want to pursue sports as a career. But above all, once again, I'd like to urge all of you what I have been also realizing myself. Because not long back I was like you. This month I'm going to turn 34 years of age. Not very much different from you. When I first won my election, I was just 26 years of age. So what I realized myself during that time is that many of us, we have our own abilities, but it's just that we took so much time to realize it. Because every day we keep on changing what we want to do. In our Meghalaya, our students tend to realize after they pass their higher secondary, after graduation, then only they realize that no, this is not I'm good at another thing. Because why? We keep on changing what we like. Today we want to be a doctor. Tomorrow we want to be an engineer. After 1 year we want to be an actor. After 2 years we want to be Ronaldo, Messi. And after some year we want to be Miss World and Miss Universe. So that's why if we keep on changing what we like, I'll tell you, we'll end up nowhere. So that's why it is the best time for you while you are in school. Decide what you like and what you want to do. If you focus, if you are focused, I will tell you, nobody gets nowhere. No doubt in my case, I dream of becoming an IAS officer to be in civil service. But since my family, I came from a very poor family. Nobody to support, but luckily I attended the entrance exam in JNV. I passed, I got the opportunity, and when I was in JNV, as you know, everything was free, provided from the central government. I took part in almost everything. That's why I am a national players in basketball, representing Northeastern region twice for Northeastern region. That's why I was so happy when my father Anthony was telling me I challenged, so I thought he challenged me for basketball, but he challenged me for other things. And then in 2008, I was the only one from Meghalaya selected for the student exchange program in Japan, representing Meghalaya and Northeast in Japan. But like I said, I want to pursue humanities with the aim that to pursue my civil service examination. But after my class 10, I got 83%. Then, like all typical Meghalayan family, when I went home, then I said, this is my mark, so I want to pursue humanities. Then everybody came after me and they said, are you mad? With 83% you want to go to humanities? No, you should go to science. There is nothing in humanities. Even my teacher were of the same opinion. Then I took science, and after class 12, same thing. I got 82%. And then same response. Then they told me to apply for the Meghalaya state quota in medical, agriculture, I went veterinary. I applied all of them, and then I got selected in all of them. And I took medical, MBBS in Negrins. I got Negrins. I was there for 2 years, but it seems from the very beginning that I was not destined to treat people. While I was there, no doubt, I feel that I'll be able to finish it, but I will never be happy in my life. So that's why I'm afraid that out of frustration someday, since I don't like it, maybe out of frustration that I might end up forgetting some needles or scalpel inside the stomach of some patient, then I said better leave it. Then I quit, and even I have some health issue. Then I came back, I started small business. I joined, and luckily, Masnya Bhalangha, who is the Deputy Chief Minister of the state, got married to my elder sister. And he took us in, and I started looking after his business and show my interest in his constituency work. Then he started giving me tasks to distribute the CGI sheet and to prepare all the schemes and all. And then I said, okay, then I might have an opportunity someday when he's old. When he said, no, I cannot do this politics anymore, so you take my place. I was expecting that maybe after 20, 30 years, but never expected that opportunity will come so soon in 2018. But with the God blessing, with the support of my people, I'm here today in front of you. So why I'm telling you all that is to tell you that if I can do it, then you all can do it. It's just that you need to decide now. So with these few words, once again, I congratulate the principal, the school management, all of you. You have done a tremendous, I think, fabulous job in academics, and I wish that we all come with this infrastructure. And I would like also thank you for taking sports as your priority. Definitely we'll work together, and I would love to see that the student will get the opportunity with good sport infrastructure. So definitely we'll work hand in hand. With these few words, once again, thank you, Mithila, Khuborjylla,
breaststroke 100 meter, silver in butterfly 50 meters, silver in backstroke 50 meter, silver in individual medley 50 meters, bronze in freestyle 50 meter, and bronze in breaststroke 50 meter. And last, Mewanpa Nikla Siangshan. He won silver in breaststroke, bronze in freestyle 100 meters, and bronze in breaststroke 100 meters. Let's put hands together for our students.
The state in different disciplines, and they have won quite many medals. Then cricket, they are not prepared. So we have quite many more who represent the state and also the national, and have gone and participated in that program. So without delaying and further much taking the time, we will now conclude with the school band. So once again, thank you, dear athletes and sports. And for the first time, we've got these three boys without having a swimming pool in our school, but they themselves taking interest and I think finding out.
before we inaugurate, we also felicitate ourselves with a school scarf. It's a St. Anthony's scarf which we normally.
So, here I'm coming again to cut your ribbon on the mark of inaugurating this sitting gallery here today, dedicated to the student of the St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School and the state as well.